Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In a bowl, beat 4 eggs. Actually, 2 of them have double yolks, so we're getting a little extra today. Whisk until smooth. Friends, I always enjoy knowing where you're from. Please share your city and country. And if you're in the US, let me know your state. Add 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup or 120 grams of flour. Mix everything well with a whisk. Today, we're making a dish that brings warmth to the table, a meal that's simple, filling, and carries with it the comfort of the past. Next, chop a bunch of parsley. If you have any questions about the recipe, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Add it to the mixture. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Take 1 pound or 450 grams of chicken breasts. Cut it into small pieces. Back in the day, cutting meat by hand was just part of every home cook's rhythm. No shortcuts, just a sharp knife and a bit of patience. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. It's the best way to support me. Friends, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more recipes like this. Put the chicken in a glass bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried garlic. Mix the chicken with the seasoning. Put olive oil in a frying pan. Fry the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring constantly. When a golden crust appears, remove it from the pan. Put the cooked chicken in a bowl. Pour the egg and sour cream mixture over the chicken. Mix everything thoroughly. Cover with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Take 5 to 6 potatoes. Cut them into small pieces. My grandmother always said, the way you cut a potato can change the way it cooks. And she was right. Place them in a pot. Pour in water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid and cook until soft. Meanwhile, finely chop 1 onion. The steady rhythm of chopping onions always reminds me of childhood afternoons spent helping in the kitchen. Tears in our eyes, laughter in the air. Put olive oil in a frying pan. Fry the onion until soft. Grate 1 clove of garlic on a mini grater. Add it to the onion. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the sautéed onion and garlic to the chicken mixture. Grate 3 ounces or 90 grams of hard cheese, like Parmesan. Add it to the chicken. Stir well. Now, check the potatoes for doneness by poking them with a knife. Mash the potatoes directly in the pot without adding anything. There was a time when mashed potatoes didn't need butter or cream to be comforting, just warmth and care. Next, take a baking dish. Grease the baking dish with a melted 1/2 stick or 60 grams of butter. Spread the mashed potatoes in the bottom of the dish. Top with the chicken mixture. Next step, finely chop 3 to 4 mushrooms. My mother used to say, mushrooms have a magic of their own, soaking up every bit of flavor around them. Put 1/4 stick or 30 grams of butter in a frying pan. Fry the mushrooms. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir well. Add 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of cream. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and wait until it thickens slightly. Chop a bunch of thyme. Add it to the mushrooms. Stir and remove from the heat. Spread the mushroom sauce on top of the chicken. Dice 1 tomato. Spread it evenly on the casserole. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it on top. Bake in the oven for 90 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. While the casserole is baking, make the salad. Chop 2 handfuls of arugula. Transfer to a large bowl. Dice 1 bell pepper. Add to the arugula. Finely chop 1 cucumber. Transfer it to the bowl. Finely chop 1 tomato. Add it to the other ingredient. Take 1 avocado, cut it in half, remove the pit, dice the avocado, add it to the bowl. For the dressing, mix together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, squeeze the juice of 1/2 lemon, add it to the bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Pour the dressing over the salad. Toss the salad gently. Even the act of tossing a salad can stir up memories, Sunday lunches, wooden bowls, and fresh herbs from the garden. Take the casserole out of the oven, cut it into pieces. Place a serving on a plate. Add the salad. Meals like this remind us of how cooking once was. I hope this dish brings as much joy to your family as it does to mine. Until next time, happy cooking.